your friend Joyce, and today we're gonna be creative because it's Art Day. Today's artwork is inspired by nature. We'll be creating silkworm artwork. So how about let's try it together?
Silkworms are tiny worms that spin their own silk cocoons. Most silkworms have a soft white body with black dots on it. Silkworms like to eat a lot of mulberry leaves. Today we'll make silkworms that wriggle and stretch and expand. We're gonna need tissue paper, water, markers, double-sided tape, and eyedropper or syringe. First, we take a sheet of tissue paper. Place a strip of double-sided tape on one edge. Using a pen or pencil, roll the tissue paper from one side to the other, securing the edge with a double-sided tape. Push and scrunch the rolled tissue paper towards the middle. Using a marker, draw black dots on the tissue paper to make it look like a silkworm. Push the scrunched up rolled tissue paper off the pen. Place the paper silkworm on a leaf. Gently add water using an eyedropper or syringe, and watch as the silkworm slowly wriggles and expands. Why is our paper silkworm moving? This happens when the tissue paper absorbs the water. As it absorbs more water, our paper silkworm expands to create more space for the water molecules.
I really hope that you enjoyed creating our silkworms for today. This is your friend Joyce signing off for now. See you next time. Bye!